Hello guys, good morning. Here is a small video on parallelogram law of forces using the graphical method. Let's start with the point A, which is supposed to be origin, and here is x-axis, and I can draw a vertical line which is a y-axis. Now for example, let's take two forces with a magnitude 80 kilonewton acting horizontally, and another force 14 kilonewton acting at an angle of 60 degrees with a horizontal. So let's have two forces, 80 kilonewton and 40 kilonewton forces. Now using graphical method or geometrical method, I'm going to draw a straight line horizontally, a straight line having magnitude 80 kilonewton, and in the graphical method I'm just taking the scale of 10 kilonewton for 1 centimeter distance. So I will draw 80 kilonewton force with for a distance of 8 centimeter, and similarly at an angle of 60 degrees I will draw 4 centimeter line, because 4 centimeter is equal to 40 kilonewton. So this line, 4 centimeter line, indicate another force Q, which is acting at an angle of 60 degrees. Now I will just superimpose this 40 kilonewton force from point A to this point. So this force is very much similar to this force 40 kilonewton. So I will draw a parallel line here with the same distance 4 centimeter at an angle of 60 degrees. So what I do, I get another point here, and when I draw a line joining the starting point as A, ending point as the ending point of the second force. So this line will give you the resultant of these two forces P and Q, 80 kilonewton and 40 kilonewton respectively. Now if you take a scale, a ruler, and measure the distance from this point until this point, and that will give you the magnitude of the resultant R of the forces P and Q in centimeter, and when you multiply with 10 you get the resultant force R in terms of kilonewton. So for example, if the distance of this length is, let us take 10 centimeter, and when you multiply with 10 kilonewton you get 100 kilonewton, which is the resultant of R. And you can also measure the angle alpha using any protractor. So this is how you will find the resultant of these two forces, the magnitude, the direction, and the angle alpha of the resultant of these two forces P and Q using the graphical method. Thank you very much.